How to build wealth over 10 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $21,339. $200 monthly contribution grows to $40,311. $300 monthly contribution equates to $59,283. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $78,225. $500 monthly contribution becomes $97,227. $600 monthly contribution grows to $116,119. $700 monthly contribution turns into $135,170. $800 monthly contribution becomes $154,142. $900 monthly contribution grows to $173,114. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $192,086. Over a 10-year time period, a contribution of $5,259 a month will generate $1,098,000.